I am running a faceless YouTube channel with hundreds of thousands of subscribers that I started only 5 months ago, getting over millions of views until I realized that I have been doing it completely wrong. Let me explain. So the channel I am talking about is named The Travel Voyage, where I make shorts videos about traveling. This video is everything that I have learned over the last 5 months, so you can apply these principles to make them go viral and get similar views as quickly as possible. Core Principle 1. If you are posting randomly without choosing a clear topic, sorry, you can't succeed on this platform. So make sure you are interested in your channel topic, otherwise you will lose your motivation and give up. In my case, I just uploaded videos consistently because I am interested in the channel topic which is traveling. Find something that you are keen on, but do not make it boring because you want people to really watch your videos. You can use Google Birthday to get a list of most popular niches on YouTube because it has up-to-date information, or you have watched enough YouTube to have some of your own ideas already. Core Principle 2. Treat your channel as a brand and be specific when you choose the channel logo and banner. That way you can be memorable in others. To make this, you can use any photo editing software, but I of all people don't use AI text to image generators. To be honest, the outputs are pretty complex and even not attractive. So in my case, I use Canva for all of that since it has pre-made templates. Core Principle 3. You have to analyze other big YouTube channels in your niche and select a few specific channels that are going pretty well. Study which type of content is doing well recently and how long they upload videos. Through that, collect some bright tactics to apply to your channel. I went through the same process when I was starting out and I knew unreal places on earth doing extremely well in my niche. You may have seen even one video like this. So I found plenty of Unreal Bases information even by looking at their videos, and also I got a list of Unreal Bases by using ChatGPT. Especially in the initial stage, don't put a lot of time to enhancing your video. Just casually publish your first video as quickly as possible to see what will happen. Because you have a plethora of chances to check it out since no one will charge you or blame you. But consistency is the key to success. If you take the time to publish one shot per day and study the performance from every single shot you upload, success will come to your channel much faster. Then choose some specific editing hacks to upgrade the rest. For example, focus on making better transitions in the next videos, then better font style, better emojis, coloring, especially better sound effects and so on. This will absolutely skyrocket your video quality instead of trying to make everything perfect. After publishing 9 videos persistently in the first week, I made my first viral shot, but it was deleted due to a copyright strike. As for my luck, my first video started to go like hotcakes after 15 days while collecting 80,000 subscribers. Core Principle 5. After publishing consistently 1 week, I sat back and analyzed the performance of each video, which is doing well and which doesn't. This part is highly essential, so don't skip that. You have to check your short view count, retention and swipe rate. Retention is the most important YouTube metric behind any short or long form videos going viral on YouTube. Moreover, rewatch your high performance shorts and try to identify what makes them different from the rest. As well as focus on people's comments and understand which parts were most interesting for them. Write them down as a hit formula list as simple as possible. In my case, it was intro, most Unreal Bases and background music. Then try to replicate the entire process again and again while paying heed to what your viewers want to see. Anyway, I didn't publish any shorts for nearly 1 month and I used this formula for my next video and it had started to go viral within 2 weeks and got over 6 million views right after 2 months. Core Principle 6. To earn money from YouTube shorts with the contents that are not viewers, you need to edit the shorts. On my channel, it's crystal clear I didn't make the original content. Instead, I used clips from popular travel destinations. To show that you can earn money doing this, check out the rules on YouTube for making money with reused content. Also look at this YouTube channel that is doing the same thing as me. It's a great example and they are making money too. So as I wished, I was able to complete YouTube Partner Program eligibility in the first 19 days and I applied for YPV monetization. Everything was great. I was sure it would easily make passive income in a few months. And the next day, I got an email from YouTube. It mentioned your channel is not approved for YouTube monetization due to reused content. Channel uses someone else's content without making changes that add significant value. I felt all my effort ended in smoke because I didn't have any idea which video was the reused one. Then I did some research about reused content and found that I had been making huge mistakes up to that point. I had used the same title, description and music for few videos without changing any of them. YouTube might have understood that I was using someone else's content. I had to come down 1 month after making changes before I could reapply, but that's what is in the roast part. After reapplying for the second time, I was unable to be approved again. I was tired of YouTube and I had to do some research on my mistakes. During this time, I learned a lot and realized my mistakes. I had used the same intro for a couple of videos and I had put the same viral clips in many videos because a lot of viewers commented about glass, paper, beach and so on, thinking it would get millions of views like before. To be honest, during this time period, I gave up on posting frequently, but I put brand new clips in every single new video. Core Principle 7. To apply for a third time, I have to wait 3 months and may have to delete all the shorts that included repetitive clips. I hope to add voiceovers to my shorts like this channel and will reapply for YouTube part